Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to clean the canister and filter for the Bissell Zing, a portable small vacuum that I think is one of the best out there for cleaning up dog hair. And they also sell a ton of these, so I think a lot of people agree with me. Now, one reason I like this is we board dogs at our house, so there's always a bunch of dogs running around, always a lot of dog hair, so we're always vacuuming it up. This thing's really efficient, does a great job. Check out the description. I got a link for it if you want to pick it up for yourself. But anyway, let's get on to this. You know, if you got a lot of dogs, a lot of hair, you're going to need to clean out that vacuum and the filter. Otherwise, it's not going to do an efficient job. It's not going to do a job eventually, and it's going to stink, right? So let me go through the steps in just a moment on how to make this happen, and I'll get you guys out of here, all right? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pop this canister off of here. I'm just going to do that by pushing this button right there, okay? Pop this off, and now we're going to open this up right here. All right, that opens this clip right there, and as you can see, there's a ton of dust. So what we're going to do is get out our trash and take care of that. So all right, as you can see, we popped that open, and there is a ton of dirt and dog hair and all types of stuff. So you're going to want to dump that out. All right, you might have to get your hands in there. They're a little dirty. All right, a lot of dog hair. Yeah, hairy dogs. Okay, next step, what you're going to do is turn this counterclockwise and take out this canister. Oh my goodness, look at all that dog hair. All right. So then you slide this off, the filter cover. I like to kind of tap them both out before I head into the sink with this stuff. All right. So we're going to put that there. This, we're going to give this another tap. Give that a good tap. All right. We're going to move this up into the sink. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, I already have some soap on this sponge. We're going to get this wet in a moment. Get your hot water going, some warm water. You're going to separate the canister and the filter. I'm just going to clean everything. Cleaned off.